In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Semrush up and running in just 5 minutes. Whether you're stepping into the world of digital marketing or simply looking to enhance your SEO tools, Semrush is a powerful ally. So let's dive right in and walk through the straightforward process that will give you access to this invaluable platform. First things first, let's get your preferred internet browser open. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you love. Getting the right tools starts with having a good launching pad, and your browser is exactly that. It's your gateway to accessing Semrush. With your browser open, head to the search bar. Here, you'll simply type in Semrush and hit enter. What you're looking for now is the official website, usually one of the top results. Clicking on it will take you directly to their homepage where all the action begins. Once you're on the Semrush homepage, the key detail you're looking for is the Sign Up button. This is generally located in a prominent spot on the page, quite often at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on Sign Up. This is your entry into the world of Semrush, where you begin setting up your very own account. Now, this next step is crucial. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. The platform may also offer you the flexibility to sign up using your Google account if that's more convenient for you. Whichever method you prefer, make sure it's something you'll remember while still being secure. A solid password manager can be a useful tool here if you're opting to create a new password. With your account now created, you have full access to the free version of Semrush. Although it's a limited version, it offers a robust set of tools that are perfect for initial exploration and understanding of what Semrush can do. Use the free version to familiarize yourself with the interface, try out various features, and see how Semrush can meet your specific needs. And there you have it. You're officially set up with Semrush and ready to start leveraging it for your marketing strategies. Remember, taking some time to get comfortable with the platform pays off in the long run. Explore its various tools, check out tutorials, and join the community forums to make the most of what Semrush has to offer. That covers all the steps you need to get started with Semrush. It's truly that simple, and as promised, it takes just a few minutes of your day. Thanks for joining me in this quick setup guide, and enjoy exploring all the ways Semrush can amplify your digital marketing efforts.